National Basketball Association regular season, Michael Jordan became the first player in 24 years to score over 3,000 points. Okay, he scored 305 points on 2-point baskets and 1-point free throws. If he made a total of 1,919 2-point baskets and free throws, how many free throws did he make? Okay, so what we need to start with is with an assumption. We're going to let, and literally, you write this down. Let x equal what?
2 pointers.
Your 2 pointers. So you have x is equal to your 2 pointers, and you're going to say let y equal your 1 pointers. Okay, now these problems all follow sort of a certain pattern, if you will. And usually there's one that has a value statement. Okay, and the other word problem follows the same thing. So there's a value statement, and then there's usually a total statement. Let's see if you can't find the total. He made a total
3,005.
of 1,919 2-pointers
X plus y.
and free throws. Okay, so do we know what the total amount was?
9.
So do we know that the x and the y equals what?
1,100.
We know that.
1,000.
Okay,
Wait,
we
I thought
found
the
a
actual-
total statement. He made a total of,
I thought he had
Yeah.
a total of
There's
3,005.
That's points, guys.
that's
not
the
number of
points.
baskets.
Points.
X
This
is the
is the
number.
value statement. We're gonna go back to a value. Okay, so we just said that the x was going to be the 2 pointers.
But the x is equal 1,919.
No,
No.
X is plus Y.
Okay, let me just finish this and see if you will see me through. All right, so I know that he made, let me see, what did I do? 2 x's and 1 y together are going to be what?
3,005.
Okay, in these, is there a value statement? Value being your points. All right, let's start this again. He scored over 3,000 points. They're telling you that. He scored this many points on 2-point baskets and 1-point basket. 2-point baskets, do we know how many he made? We don't know. But the 2-pointers, so many, and so many of the 1-pointers together gave you a total of 3,005. Pardon me?
Why is there a 2 in there?
Because the X is the number of baskets that were made, and the 2 is how many points you get for each basket.
Does that make sense?
I had that, but I had the 19.
Okay, so once we get to this point, how do you want to solve this? Do you want to do substitution, elimination, or graphing?
Elimination.
Elimination?
Yeah.
Yes.
What?
Because it's in AX plus BY.
Okay, so you could do that and multiply everything by a -2. Would anybody else want to do substitution? Okay, I would choose to do substitution. What you choose to do is what your preference is. It doesn't matter. I mean, if you have that choice, I would just say, well, gee, I'm just gonna move this over and then just plug it in. But I could have done it by elimination. Do you need me to solve the problem, or are you happy with the equation? So I'd like to move on. Anybody? Do you need me to solve this problem, Eli? Anybody else? Haley?
I just have a question. I thought that question was on the homework like 2 days ago or something. The one we handed in, because I know I did this question for the homework we handed in.